Hi, everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share Eid's special lamb shank Rezala recipe. Creamy, classy, and flavorful lamb shank recipe. Lamb shank 3 kilograms, 6 pieces. Salt as required. Turmeric powder. Chili powder. Lemon juice. Mix well. Rest for 20 minutes. Masala preparation. 3 different types of nuts, 1/3 cup. Raisin 2 tablespoons. Onion 1 large. Fried onion 1/2 cup. Green chili 5-6 pieces. Yellow mustard 1 tablespoon. Poppy seeds 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Mace 2 and nutmeg 1/2. Water 1 cup. Blend well. Done. Cooking preparation. Mustard oil 1 cup. Place the lamb shank one by one. Fry 4 to 5 minutes both sides. Done. Add more oil. Whole spices. Bay leaf 2 pieces. Sliced onion 1 cup. Fry until brown color. Garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Saute 1 minute. Add prepared paste we made earlier. Stir and mix. Ketchup 1/3 cup. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Mix everything together. Saute 5 to 6 minutes. Add lamb shank. Salt to taste. Cover and cook 10 minutes on medium-high heat. Milk 2.5 cups. Cover and cook until meat tender. Check in between. Meat cooked perfectly. Add some red green chili. Sugar 2 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Clarified butter 3 tablespoon. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Fried onion on top. Flame off. Ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.